know how these things are. Not a problem. Have fun. Please, please, please be honest with your hand up in the air. Okay? And when we say safety catches on, magazines out, it is just that.
To the left of it somewhere.
It's over there. There, I saw him. No, no, you can't get through. There he is. There he is. Did you get him? You hit? Oh, sorry. One of us did, don't know who. Yeah, just testing my runs. Dead! Going through! What? 2. You got one of their flags?
Yep.
Where?
Got on record.
There you go.
That's one of our flags. We're going to get our 4 first before we can attack theirs. And one of theirs is there.
Is it? Well, yeah, one of theirs is. I've been trying to defend it.
Yeah.
You right?
Yep. Take this next circle. And go on camo.
No, it's bang. It's all red flag. Oh, good boy. 3-2.
Oh, hit!
Where'd that come from? Where did that come from? Don't tell me that. Right, it's just... Where'd the other shot come from? There's another one behind him. Too much wind. Hey, watch out. He's in the open to the right. Fire and bursts. Where'd you get hit? Oh, what a shot! Yeah, from here.
Stand up.
Yeah. He's respawning on Mac, he's back in the game straight away. Can you see him? Someone hit me through the bushes, I don't know where it came from. Hey! One of them must have got any ideas?
Yes, you've got the guy on the right there, yeah?
I don't know. I think it's your mate.
I think my mate's over here on the left.
Is it? Sure.
Yeah. Isn't that your mate's Fang?
It's either your mate or Fang over there, and it's either the other
I've
one's
got
over there.
one nice fella over here. Right then, there's a...
Can you see him through your scope? Is there any...
No. I can see the bunker down there. There's a couple of guys in there. There's a bunker over here. There's a guy in there. I think that Marshall, the one who runs us, I think he's over in this one over here. He's called me shooting him with a sniper.
Good job.
Magazines out!
Good job.
Safety catches on, magazines out!